We're at the Shirley Apartments, 10 Montgomery Avenue in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful day. Large, expertly run apartment building in Bala, Cynwyd. Beautiful stone, really nice landscaping. Building's under brand new management and is being very well taken care of. It's in a residential neighborhood. It's a really beautiful, beautiful place. This is one of the common area entrances. Doors are open now because they're doing maintenance work. But typically these are all locked and closed. Here is one set of mailboxes. Okay. And you can walk up the steps to the unit. But this is an example of what the common area is like for every single unit. Now we'll take you up to the unit.
Hello everyone. We just came to the B1, the Shirley building, which is on a second floor. And just walking to the unit, it has a beautiful hardwood floor. The living room has a very high ceiling and a lot of windows. You have here windows and you have here, there windows, and huge, very huge living area. From this area, from the living area, you see beautifully renovated kitchen, brand new floor, brand new appliances, marble countertop. You have oven, gas oven. You have a dishwasher here. A lot of storage space. You have washer and dryer in a unit. It's just a gorgeous place. You have a built-in microwave.
Quick comment, that thing that you see up on the wall close to the ceiling with the red dot that looks like a rectangle, that is a central air and central heat system that runs throughout the apartment. There's a number of those units that you will see in the remainder of the video. Again, close to the ceiling, it's the shape of a rectangle. And thought it was a critical item of the apartment to highlight.
The kitchen could take you to the outside, and here you could see the outside of the unit where the parking lot is. This is your kitchen. Very, very nice kitchen. I'm coming back to the living area to show you the other part of the unit. In this area, in this living area, you have this huge closet. This is the living or dining area. This is covered area. Sit and relax. You'll be watching the Montgomery Avenue outside. It's beautiful. You have here the hallway. This is the first bedroom, huge bedroom with a big window. And nice closet space. Then you have the next bedroom, a similar big window, nice size bedroom. And in this bedroom you'll find a huge closet as well. And you have this amazing bathroom, beautiful bathroom. It's a brand new tile floor, a double sink, huge mirror, just gorgeous. And you have toilet here, beautiful tile wall. You have a shower, you have a bathtub. And the last room I want to show you is this bathroom. Over there we have the living area. Here you have the other bedroom. Here I just came out of second bedroom. Front of the second bedroom we have a bathroom. It's a beautiful tile floor, very well renovated, brand new sink, medicine cabinet with the mirror, and you have toilet. You have a standing shower. It's beautiful. Alright guys, I just showed you 2-bed, 2-bath unit at the Shirley building, which is located at 10 Montgomery Ave, Bala, Cynwyd. I hope you like the video, you like the unit. Thank you very much for watching.